Team babe, what's up? I'm back with another video. It's the afternoon, so right now I'm actually making me some breakfast, but I got a color hair today. I'm going back Beauty OG pink, y'all already know. So we're gonna go to the beauty supply. We gotta get this color, and y'all know I'm real particular about my pinks, so we gonna see how all of this go. And I'm tired of just rocking this little blown out look, so it's time to do something different, okay? All right, what's up, y'all? I'm back, and y'all know I do not play about my daily hydration. That's why I'm so happy that I have the Ultimate Replenisher right here with me, y'all. It comes with tons of flavors, but today we're gonna go with pink lemonade, okay? So first, we're gonna start by putting in ice. All right, now that we got our ice in here, let's go ahead and throw in some water. And now we're gonna open up our pink lemonade Ultimate Refresher. You could just cut the top off, pour it all in, and then we're just gonna shake until ready. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute, y'all. And let's have a sip. Oh wow. This actually really tastes like pink lemonade. It has 0 sugar, 0 calories, 0 carbs, and it has no artificial sweeteners. Plus it's low sodium and it doesn't have that salty aftertaste. It's made with plant-based flavors and colors. And it really tastes good. Plus they have tons of flavors. Thank you Ultimate Replenisher for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love the product. Make sure y'all go shop. It's in any Walmart near you. And tell them they sent you, period. Y'all, so we made it to the beauty supply store and I'm here, I'm looking at all the pinks. Hold on, let me show y'all my choices. I'm actually gonna be doing the Kiss brand, but I really feel like I like this Atomic pink, and then I like this Pink Obsession. Also, Hawaiian Fire looks like really pretty too. I'm just trying to see, y'all. This genuinely is the most nerve-wracking part about dyeing my hair, getting anything done to my hair, because I don't be knowing what color to get and it just be blowing me. So I think I like Atomic pink. This Hawaiian Fire is just so tea to me though, but I gotta get something that I know will come up really good. That's the thing, y'all, I gotta bleach the hair, so it's like I gotta make sure that whatever I'm getting, I know it's gonna take really well. So I'm gonna do, I think, the Atomic pink, and then I like the Pink Obsession, and I feel like I have a bottle of a lighter pink somewhere, but I have pieces of lighter pink, so I don't necessarily need to do that. But yeah, we finna see if these two work. We're doing Atomic pink and Pink Obsession, so let's hope for the best. Oh, we also gotta get our developer. Ooh, we gotta get a little powder thing. I need something smaller. They're not selling the small kind, so I'm thinking that I'm gonna get that one, the BW2 Plus, which I feel like I got that last time. And this is just important for me to have, period, because reality is just like I don't really know how much I'm gonna be using or making. So let's do the 30. We're gonna do a 30 developer. 30, and then we're gonna go, I wish they had like a smaller thing of this, because like I don't think I'm gonna be making this much. I don't know if this is the powder. Oh yeah, this is the powder. Okay, so they got the powder packs, so I'm gonna get the powder packs. I wish they had like a buggy or something, but we're gonna get the powder packs, like 3 of these, or maybe 4, because I don't know how much I'm gonna need. Okay, y'all, so we got everything. I think, oh no, now we need to look for a bowl and a brush. All right, y'all, I actually love this freaking song. 'Cause you're the only man I need. Thank you. She said something. Okay, so now we getting mixing bowl, and we gotta get a brush. Hold on, y'all. Whew, thank you, Lord. I can get some stuff on my hand. Okay, and then we need a brush, but for some reason, I don't like this brush. You gotta see if it's some off, because I feel like I might have passed them. Oh, and we need some heat protectant, y'all. That's my favorite heat protectant. All right, hold on. Okay, y'all, this is my favorite heat protectant. I feel like this works wonders on my hair for real. And we really in here, we about to go shopping, because honestly, I need to get some like under the scalp, under my in-style. All right, y'all, it's given that we are on that aisle. We on the aisle that, you know, you find all your masks and everything else. And I'm just trying to see, because I really need, my hair has been so dry, like my scalp, everything is just, I don't know, it just ain't right. So I'm just trying to find something that that I can really put in my hair that'll make it do what it's supposed to do. Alright y'all, so I found everything. I got for the mask, I got the cream in nature. I got like a pure honey one and then an avocado one. And then I also got like the little bonnet that you plug up to the blow dryer, like as an attachment so that I can like somewhat steam it. Y'all will see. But I got everything I need, so we gonna check out and we finna see how much it's costing and what it's giving. Alright y'all, so in total I spent, what was it? Maybe like $80, but I needed that. So we finna go back home. And now we gotta get this hair in order. We're gonna do this mask. We about to sit and chat. We bleach your hair. It's just, this is crazy. All right, y'all. So we got our bag right here. Let's see what we got. Okay, so first we got our brush. This is the brush that we're going to use to put the product, the color, and the bleach. I got the packs, the powder, which this is a developer. I think this is like the bleach or whatever. And then we did a 30 volume developer. And so this is like what you mix together in here. And it comes with all the instructions. And then we got these two colors from the Kiss tint, or no, I don't even think it's Red by Kiss. It's the Temptation line. And we did Pink Obsession and Atomic Pink. I think I'm gonna like the Atomic Pink better, so we'll try that first. But let's go ahead and get into it. We'll do the mask in a second, but for now I want to go ahead and start getting this together. So it says here on the directions, okay, it says for use, add an ounce of the cream developer. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this. See, this is the part. Okay, so it says add an ounce. Okay, so this is, it says add an ounce of lightener and an ounce of the developer. So one of these is an ounce. Okay, we read instructions. One of these is an ounce. So we're gonna open this up. And you know what I didn't get? No gloves. I ain't getting no gloves. That was so crazy. I was right in that store. I knew I was forgetting something. I wish they had like a way that you could measure this, like an ounce. Like, they ain't got no way. Maybe I should, could I fill the pack up with the developer? Let's see. I don't know. Child, this is an experiment if I ever seen one. And they said an ounce of the developer. How many ounces is in this? Oh, it's 8 ounces. Okay, so I think this might be good. All right, let's see. All right, now we're gonna mix it up. Ooh, they got that ammonia smell, y'all. That's how you know we bleaching. Okay, hold on. Let me see if y'all can see. I should have got a mask too while I was in there. And I'm making sure that there's no... I'm making sure that there's no clumps or anything in it. My kitchen look nice and clean. Okay, period. Don't play with me in my kitchen, baby. We can't have that kitchen dirty. Okay, it's like real frothy, which I think might be a good thing. So we putting the cups back because we don't need those. Now what we're going to do is take some aluminum foil, lay it out. Because I'm trying to bleach all of this at one time. Okay, so here's a piece of hair. This is the Burmese curly hair from DH Hair Boutique. Y'all know me and the girls have been going there. We love it. It's super dope. I know a lot of y'all asking me, like, do I still do Hair Bae? I love Hair Bae, and Hair Bae will be making a transition to products. But right now, like, my career has kind of been going crazy. Just in terms of, like, me and the girls. Last year we toured. We was in rehearsal. We've been recording. I've been recording, so I've kind of gotten a little busy. And I haven't really been able to focus on Hair Bae like I want to, but you know, we will be doing our thing soon, so no worries. I also felt like too, I didn't want to keep selling hair because I felt like the hair market at the time, and even now y'all can see, it was getting very, very like oversaturated. So I didn't want to continue to, you know, like I ain't wanna keep selling hair and everybody selling hair, which I know y'all like, girl, anybody can sell hair, and that's true, they can, but you know. Okay, so now I'm about to go, I gotta go run and get some clips so we can clip this together, and then we're gonna start bleaching. All right, y'all, so we got the hair all the way brushed out, clipped up, because I wanted to get some clips for it. And first, we're gonna start just with the ends, and I'm really so upset that I do not have gloves. Okay, I might need to wait and get gloves, like, because I don't think that I should be touching this without no gloves. So let me just see for a second. All right, so gloves is ordered. We got that done. Hopefully CVS comes through for us. Now we got this super, it's a little frothy like I said, but I just don't get it. How you doing For some reason, I feel like the best way to do this is to put it on dry hair because I feel like dry hair will hold the bleach better. And two, don't worry y'all, I'm going to brush it through. I'm gonna brush this through with our washing brush, but I just wanna brush it down on the hair first. We're gonna hold it again. Y'all, this is the most ghettoest looking thing. Like, please don't judge me. I promise y'all, I kinda know what I'm doing from being a little OG girl once upon a time and watching all the hairstylists do this. Okay, let's brush it out. And the reason that I'm brushing it out is to try to get it coated like all the way through. Y'all, I'm giving y'all this advice, but please know, I am really experimenting. Now we gotta flip it over to the other side. Because as you can see how I look on the other side, that's why it's important to flip it over. All right. Ooh, and I'm inhaling it too. Lord, Jesus help. Okay, so we gonna come back when this is fully covered, y'all, because this a mess. Okay, so I don't know if y'all could see, but low-key it's already like starting to bleach up. I'm flipping it over one more time, and then we gonna wrap it up because we want to let some, because it gets hot as it bleaches. I don't know if y'all probably do know that. Y'all probably can bleach y'all on here, but it gets hot while it bleaches. And so I think before I wrap it up for the final time, gotta make sure that I got bleach all on the inside, and I'll come back and I'll let y'all see what it's giving. Period. Okay, y'all, so it's definitely bright. I wish that y'all could see it, like how my eyes are seeing it, but it's definitely bright. I ended up ordering some purple shampoo, so I'm gonna let this sit on here for maybe like 2 more minutes, and then we're gonna rinse it out. We're gonna wash it with the purple shampoo to tone it and go ahead and deposit the color. All right, y'all, so now it's time to open up our hair, and we finna go ahead and rinse it out no matter what color it is, because we don't want to leave this on here too long. Oh, yo, it came up tea. Hold on, let me show y'all. Yeah, it came up tea. That look like real blonde. Now it's time to rinse it out, and we're gonna rinse this out with cool water. All right, y'all, this is a big reveal. All right, now I'm about to look up how to dry hair in the dryer because I don't want to sit there and have to hold this hair and do all that. So let me just try to figure out a quicker way to dry this other than sitting it outside my house. Okay, so as y'all can see, it's kind of giving like this reddish blonde. So I think we finna go in one more time and bleach this up because I want it to be brighter for that color. It's a reason that this is a process, and I told y'all it was gonna be an all-day one. So now we about to go back in and we finna do everything again to get rid of this color and make it a little bit brighter. I got so much love and respect for the women of the hair game right now because y'all really be doing y'all big one. The fact that I did all of that and then I had to re-bleach it just let me know why y'all charge what y'all charge for color. So thank you for the lesson, ladies. Any of my cosmetologists, hairstylists, colorists, get in the comments, y'all. Get in the comments. But we gonna let that sit again for a little bit longer and we'll see how it comes up. I'm literally just trying this, so we gonna see. Okay, so y'all see it's coming up good, but I'm gonna just leave it still. Like, I don't know, you never really know what it is. To my eye it looks better, but on camera it still is giving that, you know, it's that grandma old lady line, which is what we kind of don't want for this because we depositing color, so we need it to be as vibrant as possible. So we just gotta see, but we're gonna let that sit for a little bit and I'm gonna come back. That'll be the final time either way because I ain't got no more bleach, y'all. So after this, we're just gonna have to thug it and make it do what it do. All right, y'all, so we got it out, and again, it looks better to my eye. It probably does to y'all on the camera, but it looks blonde enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out. This is the final result. It did as good as I think it's gonna do. So now I feel like I should tone it with the thing, and we just should see how that goes. Okay, y'all, so I ended up halving the tracks because I'm trying 2 different colors and I kind of want to know which one I'm gonna like better. So the first color that we are gonna try is the Atomic Pink. So we about to try that, so let's see what that's gonna get. Okay, so let's start to apply. Like, I don't know, I'm trying to get back into the whole thing with my pink vibe. Like, I feel like I don't really be wearing pink hair as much. And part of it is because I be feeling like, oh, like it makes me look like immature and all of this stuff. But then it's like, does it really? Because I love pink and that's just my vibe. Like, And that's just who I am. Like, and I'm just not changing. So why would I want to deprive myself of my pretty pink hair? Like, it's just so gorgeous. I wish y'all could see it the way my eyes see it. Let me show y'all the color real quick. So this is the color while it's on there. So we'll see what it looks like once I rinse it out and it's dry. But right now, we're just gonna leave this for a couple minutes. We want it to get really pigmented. And then we are going to let it fly. All right, y'all, it's time for us to pull the hair out, and we're gonna rinse it. It's probably been sitting now for about an hour or so. Let's rinse this off. Okay, y'all, I blew it out. I took this outside, and the gag is, I don't really think I like it. So I'm actually going to show y'all what the atomic pink color correctly looks like in comparison to this color, and we'll kind of compare it. So we got some natural light, so we're gonna see. So this is the pink that I colored in comparison to the way it's actually supposed to look. So this is the atomic pink colored correctly, and this is what I did. I think that in retrospect, I was on point at certain points. However, the issue is that this was not bleached up enough for me to get this color. And from the start, that's what we should have known. So thank God that I have these pieces, because we're going to use these pieces for my install. And this was actually kind of fun to attempt and do. But I think I'm gonna leave the coloring to the experts, and at least the piece of hair that's already bleached up, it can just stay bleached up and it can go lighter if it needs to for something else. But this is actually Burmese curly hair. I have this hair, so we're gonna just put that hair in and we just gonna make it do what it do. But thanks for tuning in to this. Tomorrow I'm gonna do my little hair mask, and that'll go how it's supposed to go, child, because I don't know. Right, y'all, good morning. It's breakfast. Lost track of time, but we had a ball. All right, y'all, what's up? Good morning. I'm feeling good this morning because I'm headed to get this hair done, which, as y'all can see, I'm looking like Miss Celie. And don't even worry about it, because this hair is washed, moisturized, blow dry, and ready to go. So we are about to head over to Kelsey's spot. We're gonna get this hair done, and I'm gonna try to take y'all through as much of it as I can. I don't know, for some reason when I get to the hair salon, I get so nervous about filming. But I'm doing better. I'm coming out my shell. I'm not being, shy no more. So I'm gonna be taking y'all with me. Yeah. It's raining outside, and Kels told me that 10:20 is a more realistic time for her. So that was good, because I was able to come to a Chick-fil-A right up the street, y'all, and I caught breakfast. Now, I'll be excited to catch breakfast, because I don't never catch breakfast. So I'm just like, I'm geeked up because I caught breakfast. You feel me? And I'm getting my hair done. Even though it's raining right now, y'all, it's really kind of like gloomy outside. But luckily, I'm not getting anything that like, oh my God, I can't get wet type vibe. Look at my little Celie braids. Yeah, I know. So luckily, I didn't get nothing like that. It was too crazy. But we pulling up to the little drive-through window. I got the chicken minis with some hash browns. I did some orange juice, and then I get strawberry jelly. I don't know if that be y'all order when y'all go, but I love a little mini chicken sandwich. That's what I be thinking about it, like a mini chicken biscuit. That's what I be thinking. Okay, we made it. I'm enjoying my Chick-fil-A, y'all, but they forgot the strawberry jelly. Well, luckily for them, it's still really good. All right, y'all, so we here, and look at my hair. It looks crazy. So now I'm about to go through like all of the hair stuff with Kels, like how I want it, where I want it, and all of that, and we gonna come back and get right. Everything laid down right now. Kelsey is just sewing down the perimeter of my quick weave, and then we're gonna get started with putting it in. I'm really excited about this style because I feel like it's gonna come out cute, but I can't wait to show y'all. Y'all know when I be like getting my hair done, I don't really show my whole appointment, and that's because I be talking about a lot of different topics, so kind of don't want y'all all in my tea and in my business, but this style gonna be cute. Clock it. So this is what it's giving. Not wet, not nothing. It's super big. We got the pop of pink over here. I told y'all I had to go beauty ONG for the time being. And now we about to add in our tinsel. Okay, y'all. We got it down packed. The tinsel is cute. Y'all can see it. Yes, y'all. It's cute. The tinsel is cute. We got the pink on one side. And I don't know. I feel like this is just super tea. Shout out to my girl, Kels. She did her big one. Yep. And so now we are prepared and ready for whatever OMG got coming, because Y'all know if I got pink hair and we doing something. So yes, this is tea.